I care for my carpet and how long should it last? That's an excellent question. So, how long it should last depends on you because maintenance is key to your carpet's life. Vacuuming is required. It's not a suggestion, it is a requirement. And they do ask that you vacuum it once to twice a week with a vacuum that has a beater bar. With thicker pile carpets, you should have a vacuum that has an adjustable beater bar because what happens with beater bars is it is a rotating brush and it goes around very quickly. And what happens on longer fiber carpets, it can beat up the top of those yarns. When you beat up the top of the yarns, you're unraveling, in essence, the top of the carpet. So making sure you have the correct vacuum for your pile, the height or the pile of the carpet is really imperative to the carpet. Some vacuums have a very aggressive beater bar, so you really want to be careful and do a little research on the type of vacuum that you purchase for to maintain your carpet. Cleaning it, spot cleaning it. Most manufacturers recommend cleaning it with white vinegar diluted in water solution, using products from over-the-counter such as the grocery store or something like that, that you just spray on the carpet. Perhaps the directions tell you spray it, agitate it, leave it, and you don't ever rinse it out. Well, now you just left soapy residue down in your carpet. And what that soap does when it's left behind is it acts like a magnet. So every time you walk across it with your bare feet or your shoes, the oils from your feet or the dirt from the bottom of your shoes are attracted to that soap, which now make your spot look like it reappeared. It didn't reappear, you created a new spot. So what you have to do is anytime if you do use those types of products, go back with the white vinegar and diluted with water solution that will break down the soapy residue and get that back out. Carpet manufacturers do recommend that you get your carpets professionally cleaned every 12 to 18 months, and that is professionally. They're not saying go rent one somewhere and do it yourself. They will want to see a receipt, barring any warranties, or you need to call the manufacturer. We call the manufacturer on your behalf if you have any carpet issues. So getting it professionally cleaned is key to how long your carpet will last. And also that vacuuming, very, very important, because dirt goes down into the fibers, trickles down, and the only way you're going to get that dirt out from in those fibers is to vacuum it on a regular basis.